Okay, here's a little script I wrote that draws an arrowhead. And I'm going to animate it in the next part. I just want you to look at it. It's called quiver, okay, is the command in Matlab. And it makes an arrowhead that extends from these coordinates. You see I've got a P1 and a P2, okay, as my vector. And then DP is the distance between those two right here. Okay, so you can figure that out pretty quickly exactly what those numbers are. And what it's doing is drawing an arrowhead straight down from 3 to 0 and the y, and at x equals 0. Okay, so you see the x doesn't change here. 2x's, and it goes from 3 to 0, and then dp is the distance between those two, and it draws an arrowhead. And then here's one with me animating that same arrowhead, and let me run it so you can see it. And it just moves. It moves the arrowhead across. Let me stop it and make it go a little bit faster. 0.05. There we go. And it just runs in little increments across as it moves across. It's just changing that x value. That's all it's doing. Okay? So